In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix "Can't see who views my TikTok account." So first and foremost, open your TikTok app, then tap on your
Play the
profile
guitar?
icon in the lower right corner, then tap on these three horizontal lines on the screen. Then we have to scroll down to find report a problem. Then scroll down to find submit a problem. Then we just have to type in those missing features. Here we can also send a screenshot, video, or whatever, but in some cases, this is presently restricted to a small number of people. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.